Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites and taking action right away. First, export your phone system configuration and user records. You must have a verified backup before any change. Once done, ensure you can SSH into the new server and that certificates and licenses match your deployment. Make sure to record IP addresses, host names, and admin credentials somewhere secure. You're starting the migration now, so test connectivity to the replacement host and confirm clock/time zone alignment to avoid registration failures later. You now move files and apply settings to the target server. Copy the backup and verify checksums. Integrity prevents partial restores. Once transferred, run the import routine and update network settings, routes, NAT, DNS records, and SIP trunk endpoints so phones can reach the new host. Make sure provisioning templates and extension mappings match. Edit any CID or SIP authentication entries as needed. After importing, restart telephony services in sequence and watch logs for registration events so you can catch errors immediately. You finish with a controlled cutover and verification. Change DNS or SIP SRV records and update any proxy routes. Do this in staggered waves if possible to limit impact. Then perform end-to-end tests. Place calls, access voicemail, reprovision a sample phone, and simulate failover so you confirm behavior under load. If something goes wrong, immediately revert to the backup or reapply previous network settings. One key troubleshooting tip: check the server logs, certificate validity, and NAT traversal first, because most registration failures stem from those areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.